Python is very easy to get the index and the value during iteration, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this particular tutorial. So let's say we have fruits. So this is a list, and these fruits contain apple, banana, and cherry. I want to loop through these fruits, but I want to also get the index and the value. So we can do for index and what value in enumerate, and then we pass in the fruit. So for index, this will give us the index and the value in enumerate. So the function we are using here is called enumerate. Enumerate will take in your iterable or your list, and then it will return to you both the index and the value. So this is how easy you can iterate through things and also get both the index and the value. Let me print this, and you can see we got 0 for apple, 1 for banana, and 2 for cherry. In programming, the index starts always from 0. Okay, so that's why you are seeing 0 here. So guys, that's all for this particular tutorial. If you love this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. Share this with someone, and let me know in the comment section if you've encountered any problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.